How to change account location on Roblox? For this you need to open up Roblox. Click the three dot icon on the left hand side. This page will appear. In this you need to click the settings. Click it and click account information settings. Scroll down. In the account information settings you have seen the account location. Check your location. If it's incorrect means then you move on with the next step. Go to the official website of roblox.com/support. Type it. This page will appear. In this you need to give the contact information. Give your contact information and give the issue details. Which device you have the problem. You can enter it and type of category. Click how to and subcategory. Click how to change my location. Click it and you need to describe your issue. Once give the description and click continue. Thank you.